Hello everybody, this is Sam coming back with another video. Today I'm doing something different again. Just like my channel has all kinds of weird videos. This is fragile. Oh, the sound of this, I don't like it. Hopefully it's not broken or damaged. So let me just open this up. Alright, finally. It's wrapped pretty tight. Wow. I bought myself a teapot set and this one is broken. So I'm gonna have to send it back. And this is what the teapot looked like. That's why I heard a clinking, and I didn't like the sound of it. So anyway, I just sent a message to the seller about this broken one, so we'll see if they want me to just return it to Amazon for a replacement, or they're gonna send me a replacement separately. It's always good to just contact the seller, because you know it's one of these unexpected stuff. It's okay. They can send a replacement if they want to. So, you know, I just don't want to do this video. So it comes with a cup and this little a teapot. Now, if you really want to, know the size of this thing, it's really not that big. I would say, here's a different cup. It's one of my other cups that I use for tea. So this thing, comparing to this, it's really fairly small. And these are what a lot of people call the KungFu teapots. Let's unwrap this. Here's the craftsmanship of this thing. It's made out of clay. I mean, it's not the nicest, but it is really well made. And this is the handle. See, there's different style. Some of you get a handle here. This one, I like the way it's built. You basically hold the handles here, and this is how you pour the drinks. The package comes with a little bamboo carry, so now how cool is that? And a carrying case where you can actually carry this on the go. Now look at this. I already have a set of the teapots. I have this guy. What I don't like about this thing is when you have water a little bit high and you're trying to pour it like this, it gets a little bit too hot. And I got these cups, little cups, and a little glass holder for the finished tea. So what I'm gonna do is I am gonna get some tea, but since this is brand new, I'm gonna wash it down first, and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. I just want to clean it up. The first time you want to use these things when it's brand new, you do wash it, and you do want to wash out all the dirty stuff that came with the making of this. This is actually designed very proportionally. It's very well designed, very well thought out. Between the size of the cup and the size of this, if you feel like it's actually too hot, you can actually turn the cup around. Use the cup as the your pressure, and pour the tea this way. So it's actually made precisely the size of the cap. And this cap is covered pretty flush. See this little teeth over here? This is where you can actually keep the teas inside, but just pour the waters out. So without further ado, let's make some tea. Got my 2 set. Let's Got some tea. Now this is the fragrant tea. That's what they call the fragrant tea. You want to put as much as you want it, you can handle. I don't like very thick tea, so I'm not gonna put a whole lot. And none of those tea bags, jasmine cheap tea, okay? So that's what we do. You don't need to fill this up the first time. You always want to rinse it out. Rinse the first. You want to pour this out. The first set, it's always a little bit dirty. So you want to use these, the first set, just to wash all these cups and things that you need. So yeah. Oh, I also have this thing. So this is gonna keep all the tea leaves out. I just leave it for a little bit. Doesn't need to be too long. I need to wash this too. I forgot. Now rinse this a little. Rinse this a little. And my hand is shaky. Why is my hand shaky? Oh, pretty good. Look at this. Look at the color of this. It's very nice. Smells really good. Now you can pour it on here and it's ready to serve. Now if you want to make another batch to leave it, to kind of cool off for a little bit. Wow. This is really good tea. Second batch. And you want to change these when the flavor is all gone. I don't know, maybe I can do about 5 times maybe. Some people would like to do a little bit less, 3 times, because they like the flavor. I should just make some video about teas, all kinds of different teas. Green teas. This is also considered a green tea. Green teas, red teas, black teas, and all that stuff. So anyway, that's my video on this little clay pot that I just bought. It is broken. I do have to get a replacement, but I really like it. I do like it a whole lot. I try to buy it from my local store. I wanted to support my local store, but the problem is that when I go there, their teapots are anywhere upwards of $50 and more. Now this set with 2 cups is only slightly over under $25, including tax, shipped to you. So I can't deny that Amazon is cheaper, or you can probably get it from other different online as well. I can't spend $60 to $100 on a little teapot in my local store. I really want to support them, but hey, sorry, not at $100 for a teapot. So anyway, that's all for me for the video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. If you can subscribe if you want. If you don't like it, it's okay. Thank you for watching and enjoy the tea. Have a good one. Bye bye.